If you manage equipment, facilities, vehicles, or field technicians, here's a simple question. Are you fixing problems or preventing them? Because most breakdowns don't happen all at once. They build up quietly over time while you're juggling spreadsheets, paperwork, WhatsApp threads, urgent phone calls, and that one person who just remembers everything. That's exactly the gap a CMMS is designed to close. CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. In simple terms, it gives you one central place where all your maintenance information lives, so nothing gets lost, forgotten, or guessed. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of using CMMS. You can create digital work orders so technicians always know what to do and when to do it. You can schedule preventive maintenance so assets are serviced before failures cause downtime. You can track assets and inventory, and with modern systems, even use RFID and IoT for real-time visibility. And you can rely on clear reports that help reduce downtime, improve compliance, and control costs. The outcome is simple but powerful: fewer emergencies, longer equipment life, and more predictable operations. That's why CMMS has become essential across manufacturing, facilities, field service, construction, and rental businesses. And this is where DreamzCMMS fits in. DreamzCMMS brings maintenance, asset tracking, field service, inventory, and analytics together in one platform with true offline mobile access, RFID-powered asset tracking, and seamless ERP integrations. If you're ready to move from reactive maintenance to smarter, more connected operations, book a free DreamzCMMS demo and see how it works for your business.